So today I'll show you how to do this makeup. It's very important for beginners actually, because there are many chances that if you're a beginner you might be able to do this kind of makeup. And if you want to see more of this kind of videos, please press the like button and of course press the subscribe button. So first of all, what you have to do is to take a clean shave. This might be irritating your skin if you are doing daily. So after you do your shaving, it's better to moisturize your face. So first of all, clean your face with water, and you can take some creams actually that will do that for you, but actually you can use also some after shaving, which is very good for your skin. You will use this because you want that what is called the foundation to be applied better, because if you don't do this and you apply foundation on your skin without moisturizing it, it will look rigid. Then you will take the foundation and apply it. Of course, if you want to and you are aware of your shadow right here, you can use a corrector, a concealer, and put it around here and blend it with foundation, and put it before you apply the foundation. So this is my foundation, it's from NYX, and it's a full coverage foundation, but from what I've seen in tutorials, it seems that many people recommend to use a mid-cover foundation. What you have to do is take this and as you see in the video, put it on your face as much as you want. Probably I go too much with foundation. I still do this because I'm aware. I don't know why, but I'm still aware. And then take a sponge, and it's better to wash it before, and do this thing as you see here in the video. After this, I'll do my contouring with this powder and with this brush. And you have to go around here, around this bone, and I actually go till here down, and here at your nose you have to do this, like behind it here near your nose, and of course on the other side the same thing. And then you use another brush, and for highlights I use this product, and with this one you go with another brush, not with that. You go here under your eyes, on your nose, and here. So after this you can use some powder to make the makeup more consistent. I didn't have too much powder for myself. Of course, you'll see that in time, so after 10 minutes you'll not see this shadow anymore, but it will still be there, because that's it. It seems that we are born with this, so we cannot do anything about it. Like, you have to apply massive makeup for this, and probably and about shaving, you probably have to hurt yourself too much to do this daily, but I kind of did this daily, so yeah, try to be careful with this. But I did after, because I cannot remember exactly if I did the lipstick or the eyes, but probably I did the lipstick, because nowadays I do the lipstick first. When I started, I used to do the eyes and then I put my lipstick. So for the lipstick, it's pretty easy. For this tutorial I used this one, this lipstick. It's a red one, and you have to follow the lines right here. Of course, you can use a lip liner if you have one. I don't have one right now, to contour your lips. And yeah, you have just to go around here, and don't go too much. Again, don't try to overlip at first. Try to just get the contour as it is. Then we go to the eyeshadow. I've used this color palette, which is from one of my friends, and I use this color for this one. I don't really have too much to say about this, because I don't know how to use the eyeshadow, how to do it. I just go around the eyes and just fill it with color. Probably when I will have time, I will watch some tutorials about this, and I will try to tell you how it's better. The next part is the eyeliner, which is the most trickier, I think. So first of all, you need to when you are doing your outline right here, you need to stay with the eyeliner like this, you know, so don't do it like this. You have to go like this and follow the line. The trickiest part here that I don't know right now how to do it, even right now how to do it after 1 year of makeup, is how do you do this part right here. So recently I found out that the line, you have to draw a line that is actually the continuous line of your eye contouring from the bottom. So from here you actually go with like how this part will continue right here, and you draw a line like this. But it depends of what angle do you want it to be your eyeliner, and you do the same right here. And after you do this, you have to draw another line right here on the upwards, and define the contour of your wings, of the eyeline wings. And then you have to color inside. You have to unite the lines from here to here, so don't go till your eye starts. You have to go till at least almost at the center, you know, when you're starting to colorize inside it. So this one is a really cheap eyeliner that I use. I don't know how it's called. Easy Brush Liner by Essence. So yeah, you can buy it, I think, if you have it in your country. And the other thing that I applied was the mascara. So this is the mascara, and this is pretty intuitive. What you have to do, you just have to go like this, and that's it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. After this, you can of course put your wig on. When you do this, you have to brush it before you use it. It's very important. And after I put my wig, actually I did my nails. I put some fake nails. It's very important, if you are not used to those nails, to buy some nails that are not too long, because you'll not be able to grab anything if you do this. And of course, to choose the outfit for your makeup, to suit your makeup. I don't know if this one suits my makeup very well, but I've seen yesterday the first episode of Pose, and I've seen Angel wearing a tube top, so I had like, I don't know, I had this desire to wear a tube top today. So yeah, that was the video for today. This was my first transformation video. I hope you like it. If you want more of this, please let me know and press the like button and subscribe to my channel, and of course follow me on Instagram. And as I said in the beginning of the video, I don't expect you to tell me how great I am at makeup, because I know I'm still a beginner, but I want to show you actually how my progress is from time to time. And I hope that if you are a beginner in makeup, you can learn things from those videos. Thank you very much for watching, and till next time, stay awesome.